Welcome back. Now let's try problem example 2.4. Another kind of example, right? You're looking to solve this particular equation. 4 times x minus 1 minus 2 equals 5 times 2x plus 3 plus 6. Now, you have an expression on the left, you have an expression on the right. Why not simplify the left and simplify the right separately? Okay, keep the equation in between as it is, just simplify the left. This calls for distribution of the 4. 4x minus 4 minus 2 equals, this calls for distribution of 5. 10x plus 15 plus 6. Notice the constants can be simplified. 4x minus 6 equals 10x, 15 plus 6 plus 21. Now, you have an x here and an x here. You can subtract, you can take away one of the x's. Alright, so I like to write the bigger x first. So I'll take this expression, and write it here. And I'll take this expression and write it here. It's just a matter of taste. It's not necessary. Okay. Now, 4x here. So let me subtract the 4x from both sides. Why did I do that? I can get rid of that 4x and this gets reduced. 10x minus 4x is 6x plus 21 equals negative 6. Now, this 21, it's a positive 21, that is, it's being added. So subtract the 21 from both sides. You have 6x here, the 21's cancel. Negative 6 minus 21 is negative 27. Lastly, to get rid of this 6, you divide both sides by 6 because that 6 is multiplying x. So dividing is the opposite of multiplication. So divide negative 27 also by 6. Left hand side reduces to x. Right hand side, well, there is a negative. 27 and 6. 3 is a common factor. Okay, so 3 times 9 upstairs and 3 times 2 downstairs. So that's 27 and that's 6. So 3 gets cancelled and you're left with negative 9 over 2. At this point, don't stop, check. You're going to check x equals negative 9 over 2 in your original equation. Okay. Wherever you see x, place parentheses first. This is negative 9 over 2. This is negative 9 over 2. All right. Now, how do I simplify? The question is, this is about checking, so don't forget it's a question mark. We don't know whether the two sides are equal. So let's simplify the left-hand side. Parentheses first. Okay. You need common denominator, which is a 2. So the first number is negative 9 over 2 minus, second number is 1 above. So I'll write it as 2 over 2 minus 2. Question mark equals, this is 5 times, well, to simplify the thing inside, multiplication first. 2 and the 2 reduces, so you're left with negative 9 over 2 plus 3. I need common denominator, so that's a 6 over 2. Alright, so far so good. 4 times, well, you have common denominator, fraction is 2, negative and more negative, that's a negative, and that's 11. 5 times fraction. That's a bigger negative, so I'll keep a negative there, and you have a negative 3 over 2 plus 6. Okay, so question mark. This 2 reduces this 4, something is off. 9 over 2, that's fine. Okay, so, oh, I'm sorry. No, that's fine. 2, negative 3. Ah, that's the mistake. So I know I made a mistake here. I wasn't able to figure out where. That 2 reduces that 2, so all I'm left with is negative 9 plus 3. Negative 9 plus 3 is simply negative 3. Okay, good. So now it's all fine. This 2 reduces this 4. I'm left with 2 times negative 11 minus 2. Question is it equal to negative 15 plus 6? Okay. Negative 22 minus 2. Question is it equal to negative 15 plus 6? Why is it 15? Oh, negative 9 plus 3. Just not having a good day here. Minus 30, minus 30. Lastly, negative 24. Is it equal to negative 24? Indeed, it is equal to. So, this is all good. X equals negative 9 over 2 is the solution. Okay, let's do one more problem.